Hi everyone, I'm Rachel. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create fairy-inspired makeup using the Color Therapy app. For this tutorial, I'll start with a completely shaded face first. Please see my other videos for tips on how to do that. Search for this image under Close-Up Face. So first you want to start off with a fully shaded face. You don't have to do the eye makeup though. So we're going to use the spray tool. Set the size to 45 and opacity at 35. You want to set coloring inside the lines mode to on. Go to the hologram palette. This is a great palette for any fairy-inspired colors or makeup. Choose the first color on the last row. Zoom into the face, and you're just going to spray around the middle of the nose and sort of into the eyes just a little bit. Now go to a pink color. So I'm using the brightest pink there. I'm going to spray that around the eyes, just gently. Then select this really bright blue on the last row. Spray it in the middle of the nose. And then just right on the cheekbones as well. Just blend it into the pink and the purple. You can also do a little bit underneath the brow bone. Now go to the fairy dust tool, set the size at 55 and opacity at 100. Select the really bright or light yellow from the hologram palette. Now you're just gonna swipe across the face and then do it one more time. So now we have lots of sparkles all over the eyes. Now with the airbrush tool, set the size at 11 and opacity at 100. Now we're going to draw in some little dots around the eyes. So I'm going to go just sort of just right above the cheekbones, and just going up to the nose and then around the eyes underneath the brow bones. Then just lower it down to size 1 and then just draw a few more little dots right inside those. Now let's add some glitter eyeshadow, so use the glitter tool. Set the size at 10 and opacity at 55. Using that same pink from before, just go ahead and add a little bit of glitter around the eye. Now go back to the airbrush tool. Set the size and opacity at 30 now. And choose that color from the hologram palette. It's a light purple. It's the first color on the last row. And just add a little bit into the inner corner of the eyes, going up and just going over the lid. Do the same thing on the other side. Now go to the hair shades palette and choose the fourth color to the right. It's sort of a really dark purple on the top row, and just lower the airbrush tool down to size 6. Keep the opacity at 30, and now do sort of some eyeliner on the top lid, just right underneath that line. You can bring it a little bit on the bottom lid as well. Then I recommend adding in your own eyelashes, so use the pen tool, set the size to 1 and opacity at 80, and you can follow the direction of the ones that are already there, but you can make some of your own, and you can extend them and just make them longer and thicker. And lastly, let's add in some of our own stars using the airbrush tool. Set the size to 1 and opacity at 60. Now zoom into the cheek area, and using a basic white, you can draw a little cross shape. And what I would do is taper the ends of it. So just make the middle thicker, and then you can just do a few more of those around the face. And you can make some smaller or some larger. Finish it off by using the glitter tool on the lips as well. Try this makeup tutorial on other faces in the app. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.